Do you know when you're in one of those days where you're just tired or lazy? If you could, you would just like lay in bed all day, laundry to do, like the room needs cleaning, the house needs cleaning. It's not always that you have all the time to do it, and whenever you actually have the time to do it, you just don't want to do it. So I want to tell you a story about something simple that happened in a day just like this, that gave me this extra push to drag myself out of bed and just start doing things. But before that, we should actually do some cleaning, and I'll start with myself. About that story. I decided to take a couple of days off, and I don't know about you, but whenever I take these days off, even more now that I took a couple like on a Friday and on a Monday, it's because I'm about to reach my limit. And the consequence of that is that instead of just having a day to enjoy myself, go around the city, shoot videos and do whatever I would like, I end up doing nothing. And there's one reason for me, and that's out of exhaustion. It's like my body just wants to stop, my mind just wants to stop, and whenever I have the chance, that's kind of like the urge that I feel inside. But at the same time, I never have time for myself, time to do the things that I like. So I keep like fighting this balance, and sometimes the laziness wins, and sometimes like the active side wins, and then I just go out and I end up doing something. But on the first day of this last holiday, I was feeling like the laziness would win. I didn't really feel the urge of going out and even shooting the videos, doing the stuff that I love. I just wanted to stay in bed all day if you allowed me. It was like a rainy day outside, and I don't know, everything was just saying stay in bed, stay in bed. But then I decided to get my phone, and this happened. And for those of you who don't know who Dana is, he has a channel on YouTube called Dana Did It. And he talks about filmmaking, videography, gear, and I've been watching his channel for a while, and I even purchased this lens, which is the 16mm, out of a video that he produced. So coming back to his message, I recently posted one of the videos where I teach people how to use their cameras as a webcam. Sony released a new software update. There's nothing much, but I just decided to make a video to facilitate for those who don't actually know how to do it, because sometimes I'm lazy myself. I just go on YouTube, I try to figure out things that I'm trying to do myself, and I just check if someone else did it before me, because it makes it easier for me. So I decided to do the same thing and post this video. Then I put on my Twitter just saying that I posted this video. And to my surprise, I actually have no clue how he found this, so these internet things. And he not only found it, probably watched it and commented and said, great video. So what does that mean for me? Does that mean that I think that my video was great? To be very honest, no, but that just shows me that potentially I'm also helping someone like he helped me, or who knows, maybe I'm inspiring someone to also start getting more creative and start doing their own videos. But just by receiving his message, it gave me a little bit of encouragement, same as when I receive messages from friends and from people that are watching my video, just commenting something. It is very early days for me, I barely have any subscribers, but at the same time, I am feeling that I am learning. I don't know if you can tell by watching the videos, and even this video, this vlog, or however we call it, it's just a very different thing from all the previous videos that I've done. Where do I want to get with all this story? I think there's something so powerful when we take time from our days to reach out to others and just let them know what we think, just comment on something that they've done, or just actually give them a phone call and reach out. Because we never know what is going on the other side, and most likely it could be that your encouragement is actually something that the other person really needs. And these days, more than ever, I think with all this messy political scenario, with global warming, with COVID, with so many bad and weird things happening around us, it's really important that we stay together, that we reach out to others that are close to us and maybe they are not even close to us. Because who knows, maybe it's gonna be that word, that minute of attention that you decided to give to others that will give them the push for them to reach what they really need at the moment. I think that it's important more than ever that we show more appreciation and we throw more love instead of throwing more hate. We're all amazing and we are capable of doing amazing things. And sometimes we just need that little push. So to me that day, that little push was this message. And all it said to me is that keep going. You're going on the right direction. So whenever you actually feel like saying something to someone, but sometimes you hold off, just don't. Just do it. If it's on YouTube, just comment. If it is to a friend that is far away, pick up the phone, call your friend. I know it's hard now with COVID, we can't really see each other and hug each other, but there is other ways that we can show that we care and we can actually help them as well. So before I get on with my day, I just wanted to say thank you, Donna. You actually helped me more than you realize. I really needed this little push and you gave it to me that day. But also thank you very much for all of you that have been encouraging me to keep doing and keep producing videos. It is really helping me a lot throughout this pandemic, taking me out of the house, making me do fun and exciting things, to stay active, to keep learning. And that means the world to me. Thank you very much.